A number is greater if it is further to the right on a number line. For example, the points on this number line show that negative 20 is greater than negative 80 because it is further to the right on the line. A number is less if it is further to the left on a number line. For example, negative 80 is less than 70 because it is further to the left on the line. The absolute value of a non-zero number is its distance from zero, where distance is always a positive number by convention. For example, negative 30 is a distance of 30 to the left of zero. So, the absolute value of negative 30 is 30. Likewise, positive 30 is a distance of 30 to the right of zero. So, the absolute value of positive 30 is also 30. A non-zero value on a number line represents a distance from zero, the absolute value, and a direction, the sign of the number. For example, negative 60 is a distance of 60 from zero in the negative direction. Positive 40 is a distance of 40 from zero in the positive direction. Note, by convention, a non-zero number without a sign is a positive number. Taking the absolute value of a non-zero number always generates a positive number. Finding the opposite of a non-zero number always changes the sign.